In this short tutorial, I will show you how to unhide posts from your Facebook timeline. Sometimes, you may accidentally hide a post or want to bring back a post that was hidden before. Follow these easy steps to unhide posts on Facebook. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. What you want to do next is scroll down, and you'll see a section called Your Activity, and in that section, you'll see an option called Activity Log. Just tap on it. After that, tap your Facebook activity. Then scroll down a bit and tap on the Manage Posts button. Then tap Filters. Tap Categories. Then tap and select this option, Posts Hidden from Profile. Now you'll be able to see all the posts hidden from your profile or timeline. Tap on these three little dots next to the post that you want to unhide. Then tap Add to Profile. This will unhide that post and add it back to your profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.